How to use YouTube on your mobile device without ads. Go into Play Store. Search for Opera. Install Opera browser. Now open Opera with web browser. Yeah, have to accept the conditions. Perhaps set it as a default. It's up to you. If you do, you might have to change the permissions. I'll go back. So I'll skip. Customize or confirm. You're now on the home page and hit the plus sign to add the web address. Yeah, set the name as YouTube and the address as www.youtube.com and save. Now you have it on your screen and click on it. You have to accept or reject the conditions. Check them all if you want to, and then start either exploring some videos or type something. So here I have some YouTube and I just play them randomly. There is no ad appearing.
Oh yeah, fuck man.
Or type some YouTube video name you are interested in. So here is one of my favorites, Joe Dispenza and Tom Bilio video. Just play it.
It's a scientific fact.
And there are no ads.
Hormones of stress downregulate genes and create disease, long-term effects.
So voila, that's it. You have to access it now going forward through the web browser on your mobile called Opera, because Opera has a built-in ad blockers, which means that there will be no ads if you play YouTube videos directly through Opera. And they work pretty fast, no delays in loading, which means that you can easily replace your default YouTube app with this one. Yep. Thanks for your time. Hope that was useful, and please spread around. Thanks.